everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then welcome. Today I wanted to show you this very normal, natural, kind of neutral eyeshadow look. This is perfect for any kind of occasion, especially during the holy month of Ramadan. I know there's a lot of invitations going out for some Iftar party, and if you guys may not know what Iftar means, it's the time that you get to break your fast during the holy month, and it doesn't even have to be only during the holy month. It can be whenever you're fasting. During that time, we usually like to invite each other over, like a get together and eat together for the first time in the day, sort of like a breakfast or a brunch party. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So I'm going in with a bit of concealer. As you can see, I already applied it to my eye, and I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. A little bit of concealer does go a long way, you guys, so you don't really have to pack your whole face with concealer. That's what I recommend, honestly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bake that with a beauty blender and my baking powder. After I let that sit for about like a minute, I'm just going to buff it out with a powder brush. So I'm taking this ColourPop palette right here, and I'm going to be taking the color Butterflies right here. And I'm taking it with a blending brush, and I'm going to apply that to my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. Blend it out. Taking another palette by ColourPop, I'm going in with the shade called Hot Toddy. I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to blend Hot Toddy, that color, into my crease and kind of blend it out with Butterflies that I just applied. The same goes for the other eye. Using the same palette, I'm going in with Late Text right here. And this time I'm going in with a different brush. It's a shading brush. I'm just going to blend that color out on my lid. I'm taking the shade Nap, and I'm going to apply that to the center of my lid. And I'm using the same brush for this. Taking whatever's left over on your brush, you want to line your lower line with it. Apply mascara. Don't forget your bottom lashes. Apply some falsies. Going back to the other palette, I'm going to use Thrillist right here. And I'm kind of going to apply that into my inner corner, just very lightly. Apply a setting spray. And you're all set. This is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please do give it a thumbs up down below and share it with a friend that may need some inspiration for Eid or even Ramadan. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. Until my next video, you guys, stay safe and take care of yourselves.